Welcome everyone, and get this $15 giveaway. Simple, just drop the heart like. And to join the Discord, you got this link, and if you want to be a part of my signal, you got the signals agreement as well. So let's get back to the Bitcoin update. Now I still have issues with Bitcoin, and I'm going to tell you some few things about what is Bitcoin trying to do now. And we've already climbed a little bit up like this, and we're trying to go up. Now to me personally, I think we're trying to form in a rising wedge right here, and you have the apex coming in until 23 of March. So tomorrow you're going to have all this stuff right here. And by the way, on the Discord I shared something, and it is this image on my private channel that Bitcoin has some few things going on. Number one is that the Fed press conference right here is today, and the timing, you can see the timing is like 23:30, so that makes it like 11:30, 11:30 and 11:30. So you got some very big news coming in from the Fed, from the FOMC. You've got the interest rate decision coming in as well. So can that make a difference? I certainly think it's going to be a part of it's going to be a game changer in my opinion, this news. Now if you try to combine and align those news along with the charts as well, I think number one, you see it's very obvious Bitcoin is really high right now, very high. It shot up really high, $28,000, and now we probably need a small rest right now, a cool down. Even the RSI does show that you're making a divergence here on the 4-hour time frame, and if you go up, you go up. If something is bullish, it's bullish. I don't know, I cannot really tell you, and that's not a part of the technical, that's just a part of manipulations that can happen. But if you go with technical and reasoning and logic, you have this one big huge divergence happening right here, and it keeps on extended. The RSI is still keeping on going to the downside, the prices are keeping going up. This has to pay out at some point. Whether you pump later, you're going to dump, or maybe you just dump right now, which is just my own opinion about this. So you're getting a bearish divergence, you have a news coming in, and equally on the other side, you're getting this little bit of, what do you call that? You're getting this small rising wedge pattern that is forming up very slowly right there. But when I look at SPX still does look amazing to me, because SPX is doing a wonderful job right here. So went up, it came down, and is still moving to the upside. SPX is a technical target to go back to the all-time high. Bitcoin is a technical target to go to the all-time high as well. But the thing is that you go in waveform. That's my whole point right now. Okay, if Bitcoin gets bullish somehow, it's going to be amazing. But I think Bitcoin should be going towards $34,000 sooner than later. But this is going to be a little bit hard to say if Bitcoin is going to go straight up to $34,000 or get the rest first and come down to 23,000, backtest 23,000, and then shoot to $35,000 region. Because keep in mind, I told you in yesterday's video, for me personally, I see Bitcoin with a technical journey to go back to where it came from. $69,000 is your technical target. Now, if it does confuse people who thought, oh, we have the $8,000, what happened to $8,000? It's simple. It's a pattern. You had a bear flag here, you came down, and you broke out of it. You're looking to go down to $8,000. Now you went back, you've destroyed the bear flag that was here, and you've broken out of it. Flipped aside. There's no reason to go to say 8,000 is in play. At least chart reading, my chart reading says that you have a very big falling wedge here. You got a left shoulder head, right shoulder. I just need that retest on the neckline right there, and when you get the retest on the neckline, and then boom, start to push to the upside as well. So that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. Come on Discord, get a 15 USD participation, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.